12 people registered, 9 turned up, and of the 9 people in the room, I've had 2 discovery visits and another 2 booked in with another 2 to possibly follow. I mean, it's incredibly reassuring to know that there's the potential for that to be a regular source of revenue coming into the business. Because I'm on my own, because I'm a solo practitioner, I have no support team around me. Having physio funnels and having the ultimate workshop machine in place, it just takes such a big chunk of that work away from me, which allows me to do the clinical work that I need to bring the money into the business. It's just invaluable having all those processes in place, knowing that they're tried and tested. We know they work. They've worked time and time again. There would have been a lot of barriers for me not to do it, which physio funnels and the workshop machine just takes away. So it just streamlines it, simplifies it, makes the marketing a lot more manageable. It just takes an awful lot of pressure off. The actual presentation side of things, you're talking on a topic that you are an expert in. So I knew what I was talking about and just talked as if I was talking to patients, which is what we do all day, every day. So the actual presentation side of things was great. I would not hesitate to do another workshop because I just think it provides a really valuable resource for the community that I serve, and the benefit it provides me in terms of establishing my reputation and placing myself as an expert. I think it was 100% worthwhile doing.
If you want to fill up your workshops, you want to get that practice of yours with more patients inside of it, fill out the form and we'll talk to you in the next few days.